दोस्तों नमस्कार। ये जो वीडियो मैं बना रहा हूँ, ये मैं अपने एक चैनल के लिए जिसका नाम मैंने रखा है एक सोच, उसके लिए बना रहा हूँ। काफ़ी अरसे से मेरे दिल में है कि कुछ एक सब्जेक्ट जो मेरे को दिल से अच्छे लगते हैं उन पे वीडियोस बनाई जाए। बट देन आई थॉट, जैसा वो कहते हैं ना कि चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम, I thought why not to make a video in respect of annual fund floated by our bar association. It is a subject which is very dear to my heart. Though I'm no longer a member of the that scheme, having attained the age of 65, I'm now 71. आप सबको पता है कि हाई कोर्ट बार में एक वेन्यूअल फंड स्कीम चल रही है, जिसको कि ज्वाइन करने के लिए हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन का मेंबर होना जरूरी है। वेल फ्रेंड्स, आई एम पीके खिंडरी एडवोकेट एंड हैव बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर द लास्ट 45 ईयर्स। जब हम लोग प्रोफेशन में आए थे तो ये स्कीम वहाँ नहीं थी। उस समय ये स्कीम हाई कोर्ट बार में नहीं थी। इट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस लेटर। यहाँ तक I can recall, it was Justice D.B. Sehgal, a revered member of the bar. Probably he was the president, or little later after that, the scheme was conceived and floated by him, which was adopted by the bar association. पहले जब ये स्कीम बनी और फ्लोट हुई, उस समय मिस्टर इंद्रजीत मल्होत्रा वॉज इट्स कस्टोडियन। उस पुराने ज़माने में दी वेन्यूअल फंड स्कीम को ज्वाइन करने के लिए एन अमाउंट ऑफ ₹20 ओनली पर मंथ वॉज टू बी पेड, एंड इन द केस ऑफ अनफॉर्चुनेट डिमाइज ऑफ द मेंबर, his family was given ₹50,000. As the time proceeded, the amount was enhanced, and so was the annual fund payment. It was enhanced from ₹20 to 50, and the amount was made ₹100. Then it was enhanced to ₹200, and the annual fund amount became 5 lakh. Today, at present, the amount payable is ₹10 lakh to the family of a deceased member of the association, and the amount payable for that is ₹400 per month. 400 is not a very large amount that which we lawyers, even the youngest one, cannot pay. But I must say, I regret to find that it is only about 1,500 members who are paying the amount regularly. We have about 5,000 members of the bar who are entitled to the scheme, because the scheme requires you to be under 40 years of age at the time when you join the scheme, and you cease to be a member of the annual fund when you attain the age of 65. When you attain the age of 65, you are paid back the entire amount that was deposited by you over a period of time. But in the case of unfortunate death of a member, the amount payable is ₹10 lakh as on date. मेरे को एक चीज़ नहीं समझ आती कि वाई वी लॉयर्स डू नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट हैप्पीली। बिकॉज देखिए, आपने एक इंश्योरेंस लेनी हो तो उसके लिए पहले तो 10 तरह के प्रोसीजर्स को फॉलो करना होता है। आपको मेडिकल चेकअप करवाना होता है, आपको फॉर्म्स भर। यहाँ आपका कोई मेडिकल नहीं होता। ये भी नहीं है कि आप स्मोकर हो, नॉन स्मोकर हो। आप ड्रिंक करते हो, कितनी ड्रिंक करते हो, कुछ नहीं पूछा जाता. बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ योर बीइंग ए मेंबर ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट बार, you become a member of the Benevolent Fund and you start paying and you are covered under the scheme. So, my friends, this is a very beneficial scheme which we must all adopt and promote. Friends, this scheme has a long checkered career. As I told you that Mr. Indrajit Malhotra was the first custodian of this scheme, followed by Mr. O.P. Goyal, a revered senior member. And this scheme has been going on for all these years. It never faltered. The money is paid to the deceased family or to the family of the deceased lawyer before the kriya is taken place. No questions asked. Even in one or two cases where unfortunately the lawyer had committed suicide, which other policies, insurance policies will not cover, even the amount was paid then in that situation. So, friends, एक ही सिचुएशन थी जिसमें पैसा नहीं दिया जा सका on time, and that was for the reason that हमारी FDRs amounting to rupees 1 crore odd rupees was seized by the bank. The reason was that they wanted to deduct TDS, which we always wanted to avoid. They have been tussle between the Benevolent Fund scheme or the bar and on one hand and the bank on the other. Ultimately, the bank decided to seize the FDR. It was at that point of time that one Mr. Jagdesh Sharma, a very revered, he was probably the Deputy Advocate General Haryana, he expired, and in a situation that the FDRs were seized, the Benevolent Fund had no money to pay to the family, though the amount was later paid. There was a delay. Now, I remember Mr. Toor was the vice president of the bar when he requested me if I can look into the matter and suggest as to how the matter could be resolved with the bank. I examined the whole issue with the help of other colleagues, and ultimately I had advised that the Benevolent Fund should be made a welfare trust, and after making the welfare trust, it should be got registered with the income tax authorities as a welfare trust, and the authorities should be moved for exempting it from paying income tax. With regret, I'll again say that to my understanding, the same has not been done so far. Look at it. Today we have an amount of over 6 crores of rupees, and we may be getting something like 40 odd lakh as interest. Now, if income tax to be paid for that 40 lakh rupees, it will come to something like more than 12 lakh of rupees. We can save on that if we get ourselves registered as a welfare trust, initially as a trust itself under the Trust Act, and then with the income tax authorities, we can save a lot of money, and which can be utilized for the welfare of the members of the Benevolent Fund. The idea of making this video is only twofold. One is to encourage the youngsters and to make them see the reason to join this Valuable Fund scheme to be covered so as to provide umbrella to their families. Money is always scarce. दोस्त, जब भी कोई इंसान चला जाता है, इंसान तो चला गया, बट पीछे फैमिली को इट इज ओनली द फाइनेंशियल सकर, immediate financial succor which helps them out to pave way for life further on. And second is, in case efforts can be made, even now, to get this Valuable Fund scheme converted into a trust and a welfare trust, and that welfare trust is got registered with the income tax authorities for the purposes of exemption from paying the income tax and saving money, a lot of money which can be utilized for the welfare of the members. Thank you. Thank you so much for patient hearing. My friends, I'll request you one thing. Kindly share this video around to all the members of the bar and to your friends so that they get benefited and they may see the other videos that I may come up with which may not be related to bar only. It may be like I have in mind right away to make a video on term insurance policy. What is term insurance? You all know. I'll explain when I make that video.